Hello guys, so today guys we have the new Saramonic Smart Mic MTV11 DI. So this is for vlogging, live streaming, and video production, or for more in iPad. Yeah, this is for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. But iPod. So yeah, if you have it depends on the iPad, guys. So if you have the iPad USB-C, of course it will not use work with USB-C because this is a lightning connection. So again, guys, we have this Smart Mic MTV11 Di, a digital condenser microphone. So it's good for vlogging again, guys. So today we will check, unbox, and test this new Smart Mic from Saramonic microphone. So let's start to unbox now, guys. So ito siya. Yan. So agad na makikita nyo sa loob ng yan. So, meron tayong mga papers dito, like a manual or something, and warranty card, sticker from Saramonic, yan, from quality control. So, ito na kaagad ang pouch, which is the Saramonic pouch. Yan, Saramonic Sound Remarkable. Diba? So, this is what inside of the Saramonic pouch. First, you have the dead cat. Yeah, this is a dead cat, guys. Silicone, of course, and you have the main microphone. Ayan. It's a lightning connection. So, it's written here, Smart Mic MTV11 Di. So, ayan. And it's also with a sponge. So, ayan. Either you can use the sponge with the Saramonic printed or the dead cat. So, insert mo lang siya rito, guys, together with the dead cat. Dead cat is very useful while recording outdoors. So, ayan. Too much noise, wind, yan, it will reduce the wind or any annoying sounds. So, must be wind, parang ganon. So, yan. Again, this is the Saramonic Smart Mic MTV11 Di. So, let's try to use to our mobile, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, ito guys, this is the sample audio of the new Saramonic Smart Mic MTV11 Di. So, ayan, I'll give this mobile and microphone to Palaboy OFW. So, he will do the testing, guys. So, ito, Palaboy OFW. In English, ha?
Hello guys, what's up once again, Palaboy OFW here in Kuwait. So I would like to greet my parents, my cousins, everything. Thank you guys, and our new staff Kalamuni here in AAB World. So please come and Kalamuni, welcome in the vlog.
Yes.
Spread, no.
Say something. So, he is Kalamoni, guys, Mr. Muhammad Kalamoni, one of the new staff here in AAB World Symphony. Not only Symphony, guys, he's also going to Shamia Negaila. So, yeah, the boss. So, and he's planning, guys, to make his own channel. So, watch out na lang, guys, channel ni Kalamoni. Mr. Kalamoni, do you have already name for your
No,
vlog?
I don't have channel.
So, the name of the channel is No, I Don't Have Name Channel.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe for I Don't Have Name Channel. Okay? And again, guys, so that's it for today. Again, we have a quick unboxing and test for this new Saramonic Smart Mic MTV11 Di. So again, guys, if you are an iOS device user from iPhone to iPad, then check this microphone, guys. So it's around 39,950 Kuwaiti dinar. So if you want to check more about the Saramonic microphone, we have here available in AAB World showroom, guys. So from Igaila, Shamia, and Symphony. So again, guys, if you want to check all the Saramonic microphones, you can visit our website www.abworld.com for all. For example, we have here the Saramonic USB mic. We have Saramonic wireless mic, which is the Blink 900B2, and lot of more Saramonic stuff, guys. So again, if you want to check our Saramonic microphone here, you can check our website www.abworld.com. So I think that's it for today, guys. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members of Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy OFW, si Brian Puntanar, si Audrey, si Julius, at syempre si Mr. Kalamoni na nasa ating camera ngayon. So sa ating cameraman, Thank you, Mr. Calamoni. And again,
Welcome.
hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.